Welcome to the YouTube channel for OQLIS, the Data Insights people. And here we have a short video on the user activity or the user metrics dashboard that is an extension or a secondary tab of the tracking dashboard that we have done a video on. And here's just a quick overview of what it does, how it looks like, and just the functionality behind it. So just a quick overview of how it looks like. Here at the top you have your filters: activity, week, day, username, domain. You can track for different activities you want to look at, the different weeks you want to look at, day, username, domain, as you can see. And then if you go down, this is just the overview of the user activity from the last hour. As you can see 10 o'clock, and the current hour is 10:29. And so how this logic works, it takes the last hour. So when it says 10 o'clock, it actually tracks the time between 9 and 10. So when the clock strikes 11, the dashboard will update and it will track the last activity from the hours between 10 and 11. So that is how that logic works. And here you can see the display of the different activities that is being tracked. As you can see, in the last hour there was 3 explore activities, 8 data model activities, IoT 1, dashboard activity 41, and you can then click on this button here. As you can see, that pops up right there, and this works for every single KPI you can see here. And then that will update this secondary KPI, which will then give you an in-depth view of what activity has been done in the last hour, who did it, so in terms of username, domain, time, and also a specific change that was made. So you can know exactly what happened, who did it, and when did it happen. When you go down here, this is just charts. Here is an overlap of the current week and the previous week. So the green bar, this, so we can minimize last week. So this is the current week we are looking at. This is the previous week, and this overlay allows us to see if any activity is out of bounds, if it's different, or is it changed. And so this is how it works: daily user activity over the last 7 days, hourly changes over the last 7 days. And here we have just more tables that we can get more in-depth understanding of what the data is telling us. So that is the user activity dashboard from OQLIS. And please like and subscribe, and follow the OQLIS YouTube channel for any new updates in the future. Thank you.